Okay, guys. Yung mom niya nawala, guys. Oh my gosh, she's over here. Oh my gosh, she's here. Why did she do that? Oh my gosh. Where is she? Why did she do that? OMG. Okay, guys. So one part I will save you, okay? Where is she? Oh my gosh, how did she do that? Bye, guys.
Wait lang, pa naman na may nagchat-text.
Yung kay Mary yun.
Oo, pati na lang ako dyan. Diyan ko na lang akin ikaw. Dali na.
Oh my gosh, she's give me a look. Be quiet. This is a baby. Where is he now? Can I see him? Basta siya. Ayun siya. I will find. Oh my gosh, she's so sad. Why she's so sad?
Sabi, magagawa ka ng short sa video.
Video.
Why are you not making videos?
Are you okay? Are you happy? I will give you. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Why did you do that? I not say look at that. Tignan mo to. Samig. Kasi kamba samig. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, boy. Asan siya, boy? Asan siya, boy? Oh my gosh, she's over here. Yeah, see? Let's go. Where is she now? Baby, tulong. Asan siya? Nanakuhaan. Nanahanap ko. I'm a mountain. Is he over here? Okay, okay, don't say. Okay. Are you okay? I see them. Oh my gosh, it's him. See, oh my gosh, it's him. Oh my gosh. Oh yeah. See? Are you okay? Are you okay? Okay now. Okay, don't say that. What is that? Oh.
I'm just kidding. I'm sorry. It's not even a good
is she? Oh, where is she? What is that? Oh my gosh. Let's do that.
Very